Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King's Choice. This engaging kingdom management game lets you step into the shoes of a medieval lord, building your empire from the ground up. Your main goal is to increase your state power, which is your overall score, by wisely managing resources and recruiting powerful knights. You'll make many strategic decisions to ensure your kingdom flourishes and grows stronger. Your interior ministry is crucial for collecting essential resources like silver, grain, and soldiers. These resources are vital for upgrading your knights, who are the backbone of your kingdom. Each knight possesses 4 key attributes: strength, intellect, leadership, and charisma. Strategically upgrading a few specialist knights will significantly boost your overall state power and prepare you for challenges ahead. In the royal garden, you'll meet consorts who can bear heirs, expanding your royal lineage. Increasing a consort's intimacy level directly improves the potential attributes of your heirs. Guide your children to adulthood, as their attributes add to your kingdom's state power. Once grown, you can arrange marriages for your heirs, often yielding valuable gold and further boosting your empire's strength. Combat is a key part of King's Choice, with outpost battles driving the main story and offering rewards. Joining an active alliance is highly recommended, as it unlocks exclusive events and provides significant benefits. You can test your knight's might in the arena or strategize with allies in alliance chess. Remember to complete your daily and main quests for steady progression and to unlock new features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.